This is not a test. Please do not turn off your television, as important information will now be said. Please stand by. This message is from the Federal Emergency Management Office and is sent at the request of the President of the United States Administration. At 6:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, NORAD detected 15 B-83 nuclear warheads heading towards the United States. We estimate their impact within 1 to 3.5 hours as of this announcement. Their current destination location is still unknown at this time. We recommend you find nuclear fallout shelter immediately. Fallout spreads approximately 1 minute within impact or detonation. Please contact your city authorities if you do not know where the closest fallout shelter is located. If your city or nearest city does not have a fallout shelter, please seek shelter in an enclosed area. Enclosed areas could be garages, tunnels, sewer lines, and basements. As a reminder, please ensure that you have a battery-powered radio to continue listening to updates and announcements. Sufficient amounts of food and water should be brought to the shelter or a location you are heading towards. If you or someone you know require assistance in getting to a fallout shelter or enclosed area, please contact your city officials. This station's normal programming will no longer play. Only information and announcements will now be available here. This message will now repeat until new information is made available. You may continue to listen on your handheld radio or device.